In this video, we are going to create part 1 of the National 5 hand sanitizer task, which is the bottle. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to New, make sure that I've selected metric, and then I'm going to select standard millimeter. Now the bottle is a cylindrical object. We can see that with the centre line going through it, and it is symmetrical on both sides. So in this case, we are going to use the revolve tool. In order to do a revolve, we need to draw half of the shape and then revolve it fully around the centre axis. So I'm going to sketch out half of the shape. So I'm going to start with a 2D sketch, and I'm going to select the XY plane. First of all, I'm going to get the height. Now we're going to forget the very top of the bottle, and we're just going to focus on the curved part down. So we can see that from the bottom up, we have a height of 150. So I'm going to type in 150. And at the top of our 150, we are going to go along 20 and press escape. So I've got a line at 150 and then it goes along 20. Next, at the bottom of the 150 line, I'm going to draw a line out to the right hand side at 45. Now, in order to get the curve, we can see that it has a dimension of 100. In order to use the arc tool, we need 2 endpoints. So just now we have our first endpoint, which is the end of the 20. So we're going to go from our 45 straight up 100, and that has created 2 points for us to use the arc tool. So I'm going to click arc, I'm going to select the first point and then the second point, and I'm going to put in my dimension of 100. So that we've got this shape. Now we can see at the bottom of the bottle there is a fillet of 5, so I'm just going to click fillet, type in 5, and I'm going to select the bottom line and the right hand line to create a little curve at the corner at 5. Once I've done this, I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm then going to click revolve, and I'm going to click the 150 line so that it fully revolves around, so that I've got my 3D shape. Next, we're going to do the top part of the bottle. So I am going to start a sketch and click the very top. I'm then going to use the circle tool, and I'm going to draw a circle at 30. Once done, I'm then going to finish the sketch. In order to make the 30 3D, I am going to use the extrude. So I'm going to click extrude, and I'm going to go up 10 millimeters and press enter. Next, we can see that there is 2 fillets at 5 millimeters on the top of the bottle. So I'm going to click fillet and change it to 5. And I'm going to make sure that I click not only the line that attaches to the bottle, but also the outer circle as well, so that it creates an inwards fillet and then an outwards fillet, so that both lines have been filleted. So you can see here, we've got the inwards and then we've got an outwards fillet. Last but not least, the bottle has some hidden details, so we can see that it has been shelled. So we're going to click shell. We're going to change the thickness to 1 millimeter and make sure that we remove the top face of the bottle and press OK. And that leaves us with a hollowed out bottle for our hand sanitizer. You can then go up to File, Save As, and save it into your OneDrive.